This game is called Animal Race. This is a great way to teach the structure. Do something like a certain animal. 像某种动物一样做一个动作。For example, run like a horse. 像马一样跑。Everybody, 像马一样跑。Next one, I will do 2 more, and then we go around. Jump like a dog. 像狗一样跳。像狗一样跳。喔喔喔喔喔喔喔喔。One more. This is a difficult one. Crawl like a snake. 像蛇一样爬。好，下一个 Michelle。
像兔子一样吃萝卜。
Eat like a rabbit. 下一个 Clementine。她已经不行了。She's laughing out loud.
像老鼠一样躲起来。
Hide like a rat. Hide like a rat. 我来。My turn. Walk like a chicken. 像鸡一样走。好，下一个 Michelle。
像牛一样叫。
moo
moo。
下一个 Clementine。
像龙一样飞。
Oh yeah. Fly like a dragon. Fly like a dragon.
龙是这样飞的吗？
Yeah.
不知道。
See, this is a very fun game to practice action words and animal vocabulary at the same time having a lot of fun.